this is Tyler with TJack Survival. My friend Troy from Merkwares and Emberlit, along with my friend Lenny from Live the Adventure, we went and did a winter camp out here for a couple days just about a week or two ago. Now Lenny has edited up the footage for me so you can see the quality of videos that he puts out. So go over to his channel, Live the Adventure, which I will leave down in the comments, hit the subscribe button, and stay tuned.
Hey guys, this is Lenny with Live the Adventure.
This is Tyler with TJack Survival.
This is Troy with Merkwares and the Emberlit stove.
And we're out here for a winter adventure. We're gonna have some fun, play in the snow a bit. Stay tuned.
What we're going to use while we're up here is a SeekOutside Tipi. I have an 8-man Tipi and titanium stove. The first thing that you've got to do is walk around in a circle with your snowshoes to pat all of this down, which we have done, okay? And then the next thing that we're going to do is set up our Tipi. Now this is a bit of a slope, so it's kind of going to be a bad place to put a Tipi, but you use what you have. So, all right, we'll get the Tipi out, orient it, and get it all set up. Oh, I forgot the tent. Just kidding. Hold that right there. Get some snow, and we're just going to scoop it on the outside of everything so that we can pack it down. Just go like this, pull that up, and there's your snow shovel.
Oh, okay.
All right, so just grab that, start throwing it up on top of the teepee.
Okay.
There you go. Thank you, sir. We need some more ground coverage. So basically what we're doing is taking these spruce boughs and just ramming them down into the snow. And what that will give us is a little bit of loft. So it kind of folds down, kind of like feathers, and it'll cover this whole area. And that'll give us some floor on top of the snow with insulation.
Nice. Nice and dry in there. Oh, this is gonna be fun. So many knots on this thing. Oh man, this is a
ball of nastiness here.
mean piece of wood. Should have chosen an easier one. Come on. Oh, come on. Your blade's splitting it. Yeah, it's getting through. There's a mean knot right there. Oh.
Booyah! That is some nasty.
That's a quality knife there. So the Bark River's Canadian Camp 2. This is an insane knife. I want to say, is it 0.22 inches maybe thick? It looks about the same as the Gameskeeper.
You know, I wish I knew. It probably is about as thick as the Gameskeeper.
Yeah, it's way thick, and that helps with splitting, and it's also really long. I just went through this here, and it had a ton of knots on it. You can see all those branches on it. It was a pain to get through, but it made it. All right, that totally just went through a major knot there. You can see that. Bark River, Canadian Camp 2. This thing is like a mean sucker. It's long and it's fat. Splits really well. Here's some more small. This is what we're having. We're having some nice little hot dogs, and later on we're gonna cook up some steak. One of those moments. This is some really good loaded potato soup. So good. Steaks are still cooking too. These steaks are pretty much done.
That's good. Woo! That's yummy. This is way better than MRE. If only I would have known before I joined the Army. That's good.
Oh yeah. Yummy old steak. Yummy old steak. Oh, that's good.
That's really good.
The blood of that steak is really coming out. It sounded like you farted, but it wasn't.
I was like, what?